Hi, I'm Austin City Council member Paige Ellis, and I'm proud to represent Southwest Austin District 8 on the City Council. I'm pro-affordability, pro-environment, pro-choice, and I want to make sure that we're doing our part to end gun violence. On affordability, this is really important to people in Southwest Austin. A lot of folks have said I was able to build a life here and start my family, but I'm not sure that my kids are going to be able to do that as well in Austin. That's why we made sure we increased the homestead exemption to 20%, and I was proud to be part of the original co-sponsorship of that initiative. We also increased the minimum wage for city employees to $20 an hour and focused on recruitment and retention specifically in this year's budget. I'm also pro-environment. Before I ran for public office 4 years ago and stepped into this seat, I worked for an environmental consulting firm. So I have a good working knowledge of all the overlapping regulations, Central Texas ecology, and I really want to make sure that we're doing our part here locally to ensure environmental responsibility as our city grows. I'm also pro-choice. So year over year, we've dedicated funding in the city budget to make sure that people have access to logistics and transportation services for accessing health care. We've had to change that this year because, as we all know, the state of Texas continues to chip away at people's rights and their access to health care. So we are trying to fight back at the local level to say that those are not Austin values. We also care about ending gun violence here in Austin. We have a focus on policies about safe storage. We give out free gun locks to individuals who want them. And did you know that a stolen gun is 4 times more likely to have come out of your vehicle than anywhere else? That's why I've always supported the federal grant match program to make sure that APD can track down stolen vehicles and thereby stolen guns. A lot of the issues that people see in Southwest Austin are that they love our park spaces and want to make sure that they are maintained so that people can enjoy them. That's why we put $100,000 into local district parks to make sure that they're good and fun and playful for decades to come and future generations. We also care a lot about road safety. We have really wide streets in Southwest Austin, and so we as a council office have stepped up to make sure that we have better signals, better striping, more visibility, better and safer crosswalks. So we're trying to do our part to slow down the cut-through traffic that a lot of neighborhoods are seeing. We've put a lot of traffic safety improvements into the neighborhoods and will continue to do this work. So I've been working hard for 4 years with my team to make sure that we are stepping up to serve and deliver for the residents of Southwest Austin, and I know with 4 more years we can get so much more done for you. I hope I can earn your support. Thanks a lot.